on what it looks like today. We're gonna try another Marie Callender meal. Now this one is called Aged Cheddar Cheesy Chicken and Rice Bowl. So here's what it looks like on the box. I mean, it looks like it's gonna be really good. I like the way the chicken looks on there. All of it looks really delicious. You know, as always, it looks good on the box. It does not mean it's gonna taste that way. So we're gonna find out today on what it looks like. Now, I tried this one Marie Callender meal. It was steak, pub, and ale. It was like this, I don't know, it's like a biscuit or something, but man, you gotta see that one. I'll post a link to it right here. That one, I mean, I was so disappointed with Marie Callender, and that's unusual because typically I like Marie Callender meals, but that one, man, if when you see it, and if you see that at the store, you're gonna have to run away from that one. But let's hope that they have improved and that this cheesy chicken and rice bowl is gonna be delicious because it looks really good on the box, but who knows? We'll find out today on what it looks like. Notice what it says on the box. It's rice and chicken breast with broccoli topped with a rich cheese sauce. So I'm hoping it's gonna be a rich, cheesy sauce like it says on the box. Now, one thing I thought was interesting is that you have two ways to cook it. You can cook it in the microwave or in the oven. But if you cook it in the oven, you gotta wait 50 to 55 minutes. Now, who wants to cook this little meal in an oven for 50 to 55 minutes? So microwave time, max 5.5 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do today. 5.5 minutes versus 50 to 55 minutes. And so as always, we're gonna show you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get started right this second. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. All right, time to open it up and let's see what it looks like. Whoa, it does have a lot of cheese on there. Look at that. Wow. All right, I'm hoping it's gonna be good. Now, what's funny, again, if you cooked it in the oven, you could leave this plastic on here and everything. Just cook it right on in this container right here, which is pretty impressive, but nobody has an hour to spend cooking this little meal. So we're gonna do the microwave. So we're gonna cook it on high for 3.5 minutes. There's no need to put a vent or to cut a slit in the film. Just put it in there. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. All right, so we gotta remove the film to vent. It's definitely cheesy. And stir it up. Got a lot of water down there at the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see it. Look at that. All right, that should be good. You gotta recover and cook an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Now, I'm not sure how you're supposed to know if it's 1 minute or 2 minutes. Maybe we'll just do 1.5 minutes. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. Serving size, 1 meal. Calories, 380. Total fat, 13 grams. Saturated fat, 4 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Always a plus. Cholesterol, 50 milligrams. Sodium, 910 milligrams. Not liking the sodium. Total carbohydrates, 46 grams. Dietary fiber, 3 grams. Total sugars, 7 grams. Protein, 19 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is very, very cheesy. I mean, I must say it does have a lot of cheese in there. That's what it said it had on the box. But look at one thing, look at the chicken. Look at how the chicken is nice and brown, whereas in real life, not so much. All the chicken just looks like white meat chicken, which is fine. It definitely looks like real chicken, but it doesn't have that brown grilled look to it like what you see on the box. Also, notice how big the chicken is on the box. Now I can't find one piece of chicken that is the same size as what you see in the box. I mean, all the pieces of chicken are a lot smaller than what you saw in the box. Now the broccoli, it looks nice and green, just like what you see here on the box, which is great. I love it when the broccoli looks like real broccoli, like it's been steamed or something like that. That is awesome. I really appreciate that part of it. Overall, it's not bad. It's not bad at all, but the chicken looks way better on the box than what you see in real life. I think that's what sold me and made me want to buy it in the first place, was how the chicken looked. So you can't be fooled by what you see on the box. You really gotta come to what it looks like so you can see exactly what you're gonna get. What it smells like. Oh, okay. Definitely smells cheesy, that's for sure. I mean, really, the only thing you can smell is the cheese sauce. I can sort of kind of smell the broccoli, but not a lot. I mean, unless you actually pick up a piece of broccoli, you can't really smell it, but it doesn't smell bad or good. I'm kind of indifferent to the way it smells. Like I can't really say, oh man, this smells fantastic, because it doesn't smell fantastic. Doesn't smell bad either. It's okay. I think it just smells okay. It's not something that you're just gonna blow your socks off. Like, oh man, I can't wait to dig into this meal. Like we've had some that you smell it and you're like, oh, I cannot wait to eat it. This is not one of those meals. So it just smells like something that's gonna get you by through the day so you're not hungry and get you some nutrients into your body. But other than that, it's nothing to write home about at all. All right, let's try it out. The broccoli, oh, that's a good flavor. Okay. It makes up for the way it smells, but man, it doesn't taste bad at all. It doesn't taste bad at all. I think the chicken feels like real chicken. The rice is okay. I didn't get a lot of rice in that particular bite, but the broccoli, man, that broccoli had a lot of flavor in it. That was really pleasant. Let's try some more with the rice on there too, because like I said, that first bite didn't have a lot. Oh, look at this. I found a piece of chicken that is kind of brown on the edges. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let's see. There you go. Look at that. Found one piece, but look at the size of it. I told you it's pretty small. It's a pretty small piece, so. Oh, and I just dropped it. But let's try some. Let's try a pretty good healthy bite with chicken and broccoli and more rice on it and see how that's gonna be. This is really good. This is really good. Okay. It's a good flavor. Everything tastes great. The rice is not bad. It doesn't feel mushy at all. I like it. Now it could be because I have not eaten anything like the whole day. So hopefully it's not because I'm like really hungry that this tastes good, but it does. I can recommend it for sure. I can really recommend it. Now, is it great? It's not great. But man, if you're hungry and you need something to eat, 5 minutes in the microwave, you're done. Not bad at all. Not a bad way to go. So I like the way it tastes. I really do. Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points. And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 6. Next up is taste. 8. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 7. Hey man, welcome back to our channel man. We thank you for watching our video. We have another one coming for you soon. Please like and subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss a thing, man, okay? You don't miss a thing, okay? And that way also, if you see something at the store that you like for us to try for you, please leave a comment below. And if we can find it, we will show you what it looks like man. No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.